When it comes to SuiteDash and its ability to help you create white label businesses, you might be wondering, how many can you actually build using this platform? Well, I'm going to break down the ins and outs of SuiteDash and how it stacks up in terms of white labeling capabilities, plus what alternatives might serve you better for your goals. Stick with me, because by the end, you'll know exactly whether SuiteDash is the right choice for creating multiple white label businesses and what options might even outperform it. First up, SuiteDash does offer a decent set of tools for white labeling. With its built-in customization options, you can brand everything from your client portals to the emails that are sent out to your clients. You can upload your logos, change color schemes, and tweak a lot of the look and feel to match your business's identity. Next thing to consider is how SuiteDash handles multiple businesses. You can create multiple spaces, and each one can be white labeled. This is useful if you have different types of clients that need their own distinct brands. But the key thing to remember here is that while SuiteDash lets you create these spaces, you may run into limitations when it comes to streamlining processes across all of them. Managing separate clients or business accounts can become cumbersome without automation. The third thing you should know is that SuiteDash does allow you to offer services through those white-labeled spaces. This includes client management, project tracking, and invoicing. But again, this is where things get tricky. While the functionality is solid for individual businesses, the platform doesn't do the best job at helping you scale or offer deep customization across a high number of clients. If you're thinking of building dozens of white-label businesses, it might start feeling a bit clunky as you add more users and services. Now let's talk about alternatives. If you're specifically focused on building a large number of white label businesses, tools like Whitelabel and Kartra might serve your needs better. These platforms specialize in automating processes and offering deeper integrations for white labeling across multiple clients and businesses. They allow for greater flexibility, more robust features, and, importantly, scalability. The fourth thing I want to mention is pricing. SuiteDash is pretty competitive, but as you scale and add more clients, you may find that their pricing plans aren't as flexible or cost-effective compared to alternatives. Whitelabel, for instance, allows unlimited white label clients on a single account at a flat rate, which could be much more economical if you're aiming to grow. So, after considering all the factors, SuiteDash can be a solid choice if you're starting with a small number of white label businesses, but if you're looking to scale, or if you need more automation and flexibility across multiple businesses, you might want to explore other options like Whitelabel or Kartra. But here's the best part. I've partnered with SuiteDash to offer you an exclusive and extended free trial through the link in the description. And I've also included some amazing alternatives that come with free trials as well, and they might be a better fit for your goal of building multiple white label businesses. Check out the link below for the best free trial and exclusive benefits available only to our viewers.